Who are manager? When we think about manager, we only think about a person with a large corporation. However, manager is actually a vast variety of setting. They are the driving force behind large corporation, global firm, or medium-sized business, and even moving and startup. But doesn't stop there. Management is only in non-profit sector also. You will find management running like education sector, like school, university, museum, and hospital. Manager are just likely to be women, reflecting a truly diverse and inclusive professional landscape. Where do managers work? Managers works in organization. An organization is a deliberate arrangement of people who come together to achieve specific goals. Every organization has three characteristic key. First, an organization has a distinct purpose, which is usually expected goal that it wants to achieve. Second, an organization is made for a people. These people perform the tasks needed to reach the organization goal. Third, every organization has a deliberate structure. This structure explains how work is divided and coordinated among members. The structure can be very formal with clear job roles, or it can be more flexible without strict job description. In short, managers work in organizations that having the purpose, people, and structure to achieve their goal and successes.
So, why are manager is important to organization? Why? Managers are important to organization for many reasons. First, manager help organization deal with changes. Today, the workplace is always changing because of technology, economic issue, and different type of employee. Manager help identify problem and decide what action should be taken. Second, managers sure works get done properly. They organize tasks, guide employee, and make sure everyone knows what to do. So if something goes wrong, managers step in to fix them and keep things on track. And as the PPT say, manager affect how well an organization performs. Good manager motivate their teams, improve teamwork, and help organizations reach its goal. So, managers are important because they guide people, solve problems, and help organizations succeed.
In this material, I will discuss the functions, role, and skills of managers, which are essential for organizational success. Managers play a critical role in coordinating people and resources to achieve organizational goals effectively and efficiently. First, let's talk about management functions. According to the functions approach, managers perform a set of core activities that help organizations run smoothly. These functions generally include planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Planning involves setting goals and determining the best strategies to achieve them. Organizing focuses on arranging tasks, resources, and responsibilities. Leading is about motivating and directing employees, while controlling ensures that performance aligns with organizational objectives. Together, these functions help managers coordinate the work of others in a structured way. Next, what we have is the management rules, which were introduced by Henry Mintzberg, a well-known management researcher. Instead of focusing on what managers should do, Mintzberg studied what managers actually do in their daily work. He identified 10 managerial rules, grouped into three main categories: interpersonal rules, informational rules, and decisional rules. And the last one is skill management. Managers need strong people skills, such as communication and teamwork, as well as time management skills to handle multiple responsibilities efficiently. Companies like UPS recognize the importance of these skills and provide training programs to help new managers develop them. In conclusion, managers are not only planners and decision makers, but also a leader, communicators, and problem solvers. Understanding management functions, roles, and skills help us appreciate how managers contribute to organizational effectiveness and long-term success.
And now we're gonna discuss about the challenge that managers face in the workplace. And this challenge will continue in the future. For the first challenge is technologies. Technologies change very fast. Managers must learn new system, tools, and others. They also need to help the employees to adapt towards the technologies. For the second challenge is social media. Social media can help companies promote their brand and communicate with customers. However, it can also create risk, such as negative comments or information spreading too fast, especially false information. Managers need to manage social media wisely. The next one is disruptive innovation. New ideas, products, and business models can suddenly change the market. Companies that do not adapt may fall behind than other companies. Managers must be open to change and encourage innovation in their team. Another important challenge is ethics. Managers often face ethical decisions such as fairness, honesty, and responsibility. Managers must set a good example and make decisions that are ethical. Finally, there is the customer. Customer needs and expectation these days change quickly. Managers must focus on customer satisfaction and ensure the company delivers good quality products and service.
So, in this section, we discuss why studying management is important, even for those who do not plan to become a manager. First, management is universal. This means that management is needed in all types of organization, small or large, profit or non-profit, and across various sectors such as business, hospital, government institution, and social organizational. So, wherever people work together to achieve goals, management plays an essential role. Second, management reflects the reality of the workplace. In real working environment, people rarely work alone. They need to collaborate in a team, manage their time, handle the pressure, and adapt to constant change. By studying management, we gain a realistic understanding of how work actually happens inside organization. For third, studying management helps us understand the role and challenge of managers. Managers are not simple people who give orders, but they coordinate orders to make a decision, solve problems, and ensure the organization goals are achieved efficiently. So finally, management is provide valuable insight into working life. It helps us understand how organizations function, how decisions are made, and how individuals can contribute professionally. For studying management is not just about holding a managerial position, but about being better prepared for the working of workplace.
Today I'm going to talk about a study case that shows how a management skill can help a company solve a problem. Today I'm going to talk about Walmart as an example. Walmart is a large retail company for many years implement a strict cost efficiency strategy, including in its human resource management system. Policies such as low wage, unstable work schedule, and limited employee development help reduce selling price, but they also create a negative impact, including high employee overturn, low work motivation, inconsistent service quality, and a poor corporate image. This condition demonstrate that a management system overly focused on cost reduction can weaken company long-term performance. Significant change began in 2015 under the leadership of CEO Doug McMillon. Walmart improved its management system by increasing minimum wage, stabilizing work schedule, expanding employee training and development programs, and providing various welfare benefits. The company also invests substantial financial resources to support this transformation, with the aim of positioning employee as a strategic asset rather than merely operational cost.
This improvement in the management system produced positive outcome for Walmart. Employee turnover declined, productivity and service quality improved, and the overall customer experience became better. In the long term, this change contributed to increased sales performance and an improved corporate reputation. The case study highlights that a strong management system, particularly one that is oriented toward human resource, has a significant impact on operational performance, customer satisfaction, and overall business success.